Hi, today I'm making a puppet. We are drawing his eyes, his mouth. We are drawing his hair, and we're making a heart like the puppy in a story that I'm going to tell now. The story that I'm going to tell you guys is called Love Monsters. This is a monster. Say hello, monster. I think you all agree he's a little bit funny looking, to say the least. He lives in a world of cute, fluffy things, which makes being funny looking pretty darn hard. You might have noticed that everyone loves kittens and puppies and bunnies, cute, fluffy things. But nobody loves a slightly hairy, I suppose, a bit googly-eyed monster. Poor monster. This might be enough to make a monster, well, a big doubt in the dubs, but not beat the moping around sort. He decided to set out and look for someone who loved him just the way he was. He looked high, he looked low, he looked middle-ish, he looked inside, he looked outside. More than once he thought that maybe, just maybe, he found what he was looking for, but it turned out things were never quite as they seem. Yes, it will be fair to say that his search did not go well, and then it didn't go well for some more. It didn't go well for such a long time, in fact, that it began to get dark and scary and, well, not very nice. Oh. So the monster, having lost all his hopes, decided it was time to give up and go home. Oh, now he's sad. But in the blink of a googly eye, everything changed. He found a friend. You see, sometimes when you least expect it, love finds you. Now he's a happy monster. Bye-bye.